Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're gonna be tidying up, straightening up this room. This is my two sons' playroom. My youngest son does not play in this room yet. He is only 6 months old. But here is my 2-year-old, and he plays in this room very often, and he contributes to this mess. So here we are cleaning out my son's playroom, and this is within a week of neglecting this playroom. I don't like coming in here very often, but I do have to have it done. It is mother's duties to get this done, and of course my babies are too small to do it on their own. He does help a lot though, as you can see in this video. You'll see he helps quite a bit. But so here I'm gonna be just straightening up and tidying up as I mentioned. And yeah guys, I'm gonna stop blabbering, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Also, before I forget to mention, how many of y'all, I know we're supposed to be the perfect mother and clean our child's room daily, but you have the rest of your house to tend to, so daily is not gonna get done daily. This room can go, on the honest truth, like I mentioned here, this is with a week. This is not the first time that it's hit the week mark where I haven't been in the room. But yeah, I tend to try to get to it every 2 days so it doesn't get this bad. But hey, when life happens, it gets this bad. So how many of y'all are with me? Leave me down in the comment section. I want to hear from y'all. Alright, so here's the outcome on the room, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it for y'all. This was just a quick tidy up, straighten up in the room. I didn't get to do a deep clean today, but that one will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And also, if y'all did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any other suggestions for me, don't forget to drop them down below. And yeah guys, see y'all next time. Bye bye.